In today's lesson we're looking at factorising. Now factorising means we take a number or an expression and we write it as a product. So a couple of things here, we should remember that product means multiplication or times. So if we're looking at our first example here of 35, so what numbers multiply together equal 35? Well, hopefully we realise that 7 times by 5 equals 35. So the factors of 35 are 7 and 5. If we take an algebraic expression here, we should know that the 5 out in front is being multiplied into the x plus 4. So what that means is the factors of this expression are 5 and x plus 4. So those are two pretty simple examples there where we've got just two factors of a number. Now if we have a look at 20, we've got multiple factors of 20. We've got 1 and 20 are factors because 1 times by 20 equals 20. We've got 2 and 10 and we have 4 and 5. So our factors of 20 in order are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. That's going to be important for us a little bit later on. Let's have a look at some of the examples we're going to be doing from our text. If we start here, we've got 15x equals 5x times by something. Now, for some, that should be pretty simple for some of us. We could see that it equals 3, but it's not always going to be that simple. So what we can do is we can take the 15x and divide it by 5x. And we know that the x's cancel out. 5 goes into itself once, and then 5 goes into 15 3 times. So we're left with 3. So the factors of 15x are 5x and 3. Let's do the same thing again for another couple of examples, just to reinforce what we're doing. So again, we start with 15x squared this time over 3x. So 3 goes into itself once, and it goes into 15 5 times. X goes into itself once, and we'll go into x squared once. So that what we've got left here is actually 5x over 1. We know anything over 1 is itself, so we're left with 5x. Therefore, the factors of 15x squared are 3x times by 15x equals 15x squared. One more example here. We've got negative 18ab squared, and we're told that one of the factors is 6a, so we'll put that over there. So 6 goes into itself once, it goes into 18 3 times. We lose the a's, so we're left with 3b squared over 1. Again, we know anything over itself is 1. So our factors of negative 18ab squared are 6a times by 3b squared.